Hi beauties, it's Jean Persani with Beauty and the Stamper. I wanted to show you this item that I got from SaveYour. It is a selfie stick tripod. You guys, I've had this for a little while now. I wanted to try it before I completely did a voiceover on my unboxing because it is really cool. I have had a couple selfie sticks in the past that I've done some unboxings and thought I'd like and then didn't. But this one is really cool. It comes with different instructions, as you can see, because it will hold both a phone and an iPad. It is so cool. And then there is a little kind of trigger there that will start and stop your telephone. Here it comes. So it comes with this little button and it hooks up to your camera via Bluetooth, and you just pop it on. It finds your camera and then you click it and it turns on and off your video recording, or also like if you wanted to take selfies of like a whole group of people. It's really cool. And then this one is the clamp for your phone, which is a nice size phone. It'll hold my 7 Plus. And then this one here is for a tablet or an iPhone, and you're not going to believe how big it opens up. Look at that. So it'll go lengthwise, it'll go sideways, however you'd like. Can you believe how big that opens up? Oh my goodness, it'll probably hold even like a little camera. So it's pretty cool. I haven't had to use that one yet. I just used my phone one and it works really well. So this comes with a nice little bag. In fact, I'm traveling, and while I'm traveling I have it with me. So you just take it right out of the bag and then you can pop it right back in the bag pretty easily. And it also comes out, it's a monopod. I didn't show this part because truthfully I wasn't aware. But it's very easy. All you do is put that part in. You can also do it lengthwise, and then you just screw that in and you are ready to go. And this is how I carry mine. So I just use my phone, so I just carry mine exactly like that. And then it has a lot of length to it, so you can just open it and then close it. And it has 3 of them, so it can open so long. And then to get the tripod out, that's all you do. You just open it up, and then when you're done, you close it right back up. It's really a neat little thing. And then, like I said, all 3 of those telescope open and close to be really, really long. So, and then here's the other one. If you wanted to use your iPad or tablet, you do the same thing. Undo it and put it right back on. What else? That's really it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put a link down below, and take care. Bye.